Hello, hola, I'm your girl, Rena MoMoney, and today I got another good one for you. On this YouTube channel, we talk about real estate, we talk about wholesaling real estate, we talk about side hustles, some stock tips, some tips and tools to help you crush it, and also some tips and tools on how you can become a better you. This is the new year, 2022. On a previous video, I promised you that on the next video that I would talk about some side hustles in 2022 that you can make $10,000 a month. And that's what we're going to talk about today. So come on in. The new year and everybody's looking for that change. It's the new year and everybody's looking to become a better person. Everybody's looking for another stream of income. And most are looking to leave that legacy. Most are looking to leave something behind for their children or their grandchildren. If you go down on the channel, we have some previous videos that talk about how you can make $1,000 extra a month, $12,000 extra a year to $20,000 extra a year. If you haven't subscribed, you need to do so now, because all I bring is good, valuable information. I come on here 2 times a week to crush it in real estate, wholesaling, side hustle, and giving you tips and tools, lenders and banks to help you become a better you. I have a few that no one is talking about. And if you stay tuned, we're going to talk about that this week. We're also going to have a part 1 and a part 2. And the first one, being a promoter, doing promotions. You can promote events. You can be a concert promoter, or you can either work with the concert promoter, or you may invest in a promoter where you can make money off the interest, or you can sell some items with that promoter in trade. So being a concert promoter or an event promoter, that's a good one. Check into it. Number 2, start a brand. That's something you've heard of. You started a brand. You want to sell t-shirts, clothing products, and services. If you're already doing that, then to make that next step, to step that up, to crush it, to go to that next level with your brand, you want to start putting more into your marketing. Don't forget that. You want to add more marketing. Number 3, invest in stocks. If you already have a stock, if you're already doing ACORN, if you're already doing Fundrise, those little stocks, and you say, okay, well, I'm afraid, but I do want to start making $10,000 a month, you may want to try day trading. It's a little risky, or you can go safe. Here's a boom nugget on the stock. If you go safe, you want to invest in index funds. One of the safest index fund is SPY, S-P-Y. That's a boom nugget for you. There's so many cryptocurrencies. Pick one, do your research, stick with the top 5 cryptocurrencies, buy and hold them, and I promise you'll start making $10,000 a month, depending on how much you put into it. But that risk is there, and that opportunity is there as well. So investing in stocks, again, you want to buy and hold, stick with the top 5 cryptocurrencies, and 9 times out of 10, you won't go wrong. Also, to look into the metaverse. The next one, which is my favorite, some of these I do myself. Most of these I do myself, or have done them, or I have a little piece in them, or I've invested in them. So I know that these side hustles do work. Rent out space. We talked about that on a previous video. You can rent out your own home. You can rent out a garage. You can rent out rental property. That also helps to become passive income. You want to rent out space. Look at renting out space. That's a good one. Check it out. The fifth one I have for you is to do home staging. You want to do home staging for investors or realtors. So if you're already into real estate, because you're on this channel because you're trying to crush it in real estate, and you want to add money, and you're probably at $6,000 a month or $8,000, you're trying to push it to $10,000, look at doing home staging for investors and realtors. As an investor myself, I love to stage a home because it helps sell the house faster, especially when you're buying, fixing, and flipping. So you definitely want to look at doing home staging. Check into it, become a home stager. That's excellent. That's one they're not talking about. The next one I think they're not talking about, but I mentioned it earlier, property manager assistant. Or be a bird dog for investors. You could be a bird dog for investors. You get that money, that side money you can get as you're already out there doing whatever you do. So you could be a property manager assistant, or become a property manager, and or look into a bird dog, being a bird dog. Yeah, that's a good one. These are some side hustles in 2022 that no one's talking about. And if you really put yourself into it, if you really dig deep and, like I said, grind, that's the bottom line, you'll definitely make $10,000 a month. Before I go any further, I have a few more for you here. Again, if you haven't subscribed, if I'm giving you valuable information and I'm giving you something to think about, and I think I am, press that like button. Matter of fact, press the like button right now. Before I go any further, you know what I like to do? I like to give boom nuggets that's going to help you crush it. And I also like to give shout outs to my new subscribers. Right now, I'm going to release a boom nugget. Here is a great small business bank that's for freelancers and side hustles. Banking for those that do not have a serious business, don't have an EIN, but they have a side hustle. Lily Bank, Lili Bank. It's an online banking platform. It's for freelance workers, side hustles. There's no monthly fees. Great if you're just starting. Also, they have money buckets. There's no minimum balance. Tax tools, mobile banking, Visa debit card, cashback rewards, all kind of good stuff. Free overdraft protection. This bank gives you a peace of mind, and you can withdraw cash from any ATM across the USA. So check out this freelance side hustle bank. It's called Lily Bank. That's a boom nugget for you. Now I like to give my shout outs. I got another boom nugget for you. So make sure you stay to the end. I also have some more side hustles. So smash that like button. If I'm saying something that's going to help you out, if I'm saying something that's going to change your world, change your mind, or the way you think about things, do me a favor. Subscribe if you haven't already. Subscribe if you have already subscribed. Please press the like button. It truly helps out my algorithm. It helps out the YouTube algorithm. And that helps me keep making great information for you, because I come on this channel 2 times a week to help you crush it in life, crush it in real estate, and help yourself become a better you. So make sure you're getting these side hustles. Make sure you got that nugget I just released, that Lily Bank nugget. Matter of fact, let's do another nugget. Another small business bank for freelancers and side hustles. Nova Bank. Novo Bank. Small business banking. Go check that out. It's great for freelancers and side hustles. I can't do it all. I can't give it all to you on the video. I can't tell you everything. So make sure you're writing this stuff down. Always have your Rena MoMoney pad. Write this down. Nova Bank. Novo Bank. That's another boom nugget for you. That deserves a like. Make sure you press like if you haven't already subscribed. That really helps me out. All right, we're going to get back into the side hustles because I got so many of them. Actually, I think we're going to do a part 1 and part 2. But before I get into the next one, I'm sorry. I said I was going to do my shout out. So here they are. Here they are. I'd like to thank you for joining me. Thank you for subscribing to the Rena MoMoney Plus YouTube channel. Thank you. For those that are returning, again, I like to give you a shout out. I like to give you applause. Thank you so very much. It means so much, and it helps out my YouTube algorithm, and it keeps me going. So if you haven't subscribed, you definitely want to do so, because I'm not doing anything but bringing you good stuff and valuable information. All right, we've talked about 5 or 6 great side hustles for 2022 that's going to make you $10,000 that no one is talking about. Here's one that I just added myself not too long ago. And I started renting cars. Rental car business. Start a car rental business. As you can make anywhere from $700 to $1,100 a month with a car that you have sitting in your yard. If you have a son or a daughter car that's sitting around, or you have an extra car that's not your car or a truck. If you need help with that, if you need me to tell you exactly which route you should go, make sure you schedule a coaching call with me. If you need anything with these side hustles, anything with real estate, anything with banking, anything with credit, make sure you give me a call if you need to. I'm here for you to help you crush it. Again, start a car rental business. The next one I want to give you, this one is pretty familiar. You're pretty familiar with it, and you've heard it before: affiliate marketing. And affiliate marketing where you can get paid by pushing someone else's product. The next one I want to give you, here's another one no one's talking about, another side hustle that can make you $10,000 a month: an ATM business. No one thinks about that. An ATM business. That's a good side hustle. You want to check that out. I'm going to keep going, and we're still going to make another part 2 because I have so many. Some make you $10,000 a month. Some may only make you $5,000 a month, but that's $5,000 or $10,000 extra you did not have. So thank Rena MoMoney for this. Make sure you smash that like button. If I'm saying it, if I'm doing it, smash that like button. All right, I have a few more. The next one is become a real estate wholesaler. You know, I love that. real estate wholesaling. That's one of my favorites. That's another one that I'm still currently doing. A lot of these I do, or I've done, or I have some involvement, or I'm investing in. So I'm not just saying these side hustles don't make money. All the side hustles that I ever mentioned, I've touched them, I'm touching them, or I am going to touch them, one or the other. So make sure you do your due diligence and check out these side hustles. The next one, here's another one. I'm just going to keep going. Here's another one. Flip pallets. You want to flip pallets. Be a wholesaler, not just in real estate, but you can also in products. Flip pallets. Check that out. That's a good one. I'm not going to go any further because I want you guys to subscribe and I want you to come back and stay tuned. Make sure you get ready to watch the next Rena MoMoney YouTube video. I have more side hustles and more boom boom nuggets. So stay tuned. Get ready to watch the next one. Thank you for coming back and you take care.